Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the unit has power and the right maps installed. This saves delays. Turn the device on and place it with a clear sky view so it can complete a cold start. While it boots, confirm language, time zone, and units to match your preference. This prevents confusing directions later. Once the home screen appears, check for firmware prompts and toggle cellular or Bluetooth only if you need live updates. You now focus on getting a stable positional fix and building a route. Wait until the device reports a 3D fix or acceptable accuracy. This ensures turn-by-turn commands are reliable. Next, input your destination using address, coordinates, or a saved waypoint and review the suggested route options. Pick the routing profile that fits your needs, then inspect the route preview for critical turns, ferries, or restricted roads. Once satisfied, tap Start so the device can compute voice prompts and ETA. You navigate by following the device's voice prompts and watching the upcoming turn strip for lane guidance. Keep an eye on the ETA and next maneuver so you can prepare early. When you miss a turn, let the unit automatically recalculate rather than guessing. If the device loses satellites or map data seems wrong, move to an open area and toggle GPS reception, restart the device, or re-enter coordinates. If issues persist, update maps and firmware. This often fixes routing errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.